want to eat them with my hands.
Another level you couldn't never get on, pulling feathers is evidence, skin and bones, this is evident I am from heaven's zone, let alone the earth energy tone, the birth enemy clones afloat about in his own.
Today we're going snowboarding. Remember Matt, everybody, from the Mocha video? One of our most viewed videos on YouTube.
By Eric.
We're going snowboarding today in the mountains. We are in Placerville. It's an old gold rush town.
Use modern tools. Original white man.
We're looking for the saloon. So we're in Placerville. It's a super old gold rush town. You can see by the buildings. It looks like an old western. We're just gonna get something to eat.
At this original Mel's.
The original Mel's. Original tap house. Original. We are at the Buttercup Pantry. Oh no, we're gonna get. Oh, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and pies. I thought it said breakfast, lunch, dinner, and pets.
Yeah, pets too. They sell pets.
We eat some pets.
Got everything out here.
All right. Oh, are we gonna go here? Or you want to walk around?
Walk around.
Cool. Oh, there's a Mel's right there. There's also a Mel's.
Worst comes to worst, we can come back here.
And this is Matthew.
At you, Buttercup.
Oh, there's okay. So this corner is like we got Buttercup Pantry. We got Mel's. We have Tap House, Brunch, and 49ers Cleaners. So this is an old gold rush town. If you don't know, San Francisco was created around 1849. That's why the 49ers are called 49ers, and also that Cleaners is called 49ers Cleaners. It's been here since 1849, maybe. Okay, you want to just go here, Buttercup Pantry?
All the other ones aren't even open yet.
All right, we're gonna go into here. Whoa. We
Oh, look at that. You can buy cigarettes in that little thing.
We have a wooden Native American and cigarettes. I don't know if this passes the DEI.
I don't think that's PC.
It's not PC, but they got some old stuff here. And this kind of needs to go, maybe. Let me see if I can. Operator?
Hold on.
Hey, I'm on a private call. Get away. Oh, look at this. You could buy, this is like the Amazon. This is the Amazon of like the 1800s. Oh, you can buy some guitars. Typewriter.
We got a little action out here. Around these spots.
Wow, this is crazy. Buy some fishing reels, some pots here. Oh, this is Sears. Sears and Roebuck. This place is crazy. It's like a blast from the past. There's a lot of old stuff. There's like an old gasoline pump. We got the menu. And looks like they got some scrambles, pancakes, breakfast anytime. These are like big meals, man.
Dude,
We're looking for something light.
No, but this looks good. I want to try it. Tell me this doesn't sound good.
Dinners.
Cinnamon roll French toast combo.
Cinnamon roll French toast.
We take our cinnamon roll, cut it in half, then dip it in our vanilla egg mix, topped with sugar, 2 eggs, choice of bacon, sausage, or
That's a
ham.
lot. Got us some coffee. Matt's trying to figure out how to work his GoPro 3. His GoPro 3 Plus. Remember those? Got me a Eggs Benedict. good. What time is it? We got time. We got time to snowboard today. Oh, it's almost 12. It'll be good. It won't be crowded. Hopefully.
We need to try this, bro.
Okay, let's see Matt's food. That's a French toast rolled up. I don't know what that means. And then sausage, and then over easy eggs.
Breakfast of champions.
Breakfast of champions. So I got these crispy.
Schmeck my eggs.
I asked for crispy hash browns, and then she said their hollandaise sauce is really good.
Halamode sauce,
and then you got the egg in there. Let's just taste it, break it. Right. Ooh. This is the California Benedict. It's supposed to have avocado in here.
There's avocado.
Any avocado? Oh, here's some. Okay, let's get some of this. It's not all throughout, but it's fine.
Yes, bro.
Let's try it.
I mean, Ron knows it, but that's just, and even he's been out here a long time, so it's just a different.
That's the one.
That sauce.
Besides
Halamode sauce.
small community, there are other ways to find
That English muffin is fluffy, but you could tell it's store bought. Matt's giving me a piece of his.
Try it.
And then let's try this. Let's try the extra crispy. Oh, with some spinach. Try the extra crispy hash brown. I want to eat that with my hands. Good breakfast before we head down the slopes. Put some ketchup on there. Ketchup on everything.
Ketchup.
And then let's see, sauce of the day. Tabasco. See if that changes anything. We're gonna finish this. Oh man, Matt's almost finished. Check that out.
Yo.
I'm trying Matt's French toast. I don't know what it's rolled up.
Yeah, it's like a cinnamon roll rolled up.
Cinnamon roll rolled up, French toasted.
It's dessert.
It's a cinnamon roll.
It's dessert. It's a dessert.
It's dessert.
It's straight up dessert.
Let's get some action shots.
Splish splash.
That's actually really good.
But it's like dessert. It's
That's-
like not even breakfast.
But put some sausage on there with some egg. Adult food. Finished half of it already. See you on the slopes.
The first car ever.
I don't know. Check out this new Tesla right here. Home of the Hangtown Fry. Should we get in here? Ooh, what? What? Oh shoot! That's where the prisoners are. We out here in the new Tesla. Oh, check that out. Stick shift. That's the brake. That's the aircon and radio. I don't know what that is. Okay. Forecast.
Same here.
23-2. This is how we chill.
We got
From
snow.
23-2. This is how we
Where the
chill.
snow's
From
at?
23-2. This is how we chill. From 23-2.
Whoa. There's a lot of snow in there.